So hey guys, hello there once again, welcome back to our channel ART with Shagun. This is your friend Shagun and here I am back with the video. So basically guys, today this video is going to be a really simple video. आज according to the thumbnail, I think you all would have got what this video is all about. So today I am going to personalize a t-shirt and let me show you that what that t-shirt looks like. So let me bring in the t-shirt. So yes guys, this is the t-shirt that I am about to use and this is from Symbol. Okay, basically this is a brand from Amazon and you all might be able to see the length of the t-shirt, and I'm going to get some designs over this center of the t-shirt. and इसके लिए मैंने कुछ ideas सोचे थे, but the final idea that I got finalized is this one. So I don't know why, but मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा and this is really bright and I think on white color it would come really great. So इसलिए मैंने इस डिज़ाइन को फाइनल किया है and without any further delay let me show you that what are the process to transfer this onto your t-shirt. So here we go. So guys, basically here's our t-shirt and मैंने just एक इसमें process add किया, that is I'm just having a kind of cardboard material. इतने पूरे पोर्शन में I have just added a cardboard material so that I can easily draw all the figures. So yeah, this was the step, and without any further delay let's see what are the next step. And I'm going to just draw the image, then I will start coloring it and show you what are the process. So without any further delay let's start this process. So hey guys, here it is finally. It's the next day. I stopped the work last night and this is what I just came up with. So here is our complete drawing and still a lot of work is left to be done, and now I would be doing this work in this camera angle. So I guess you all will be having this. So let me first of all set these things, and I have to talk a few of the things to you guys for this project. So let me clear this, that this is the white t-shirt that I just got from Amazon, and if you want to buy the same one you will easily get the purchase link below in the description box. You are going to get a single one also. So basically guys, this t-shirt was a pack of 3 and मैं आपको लिंक दे दूंगी नीचे, अगर आप चाहें तो 3 का भी पैक ले सकते हैं. You can also go for the single one. I will provide this for the women's also and for the men's also. So आपको जो भी कोई आपके लिए सही लगे you can go for that, and they were so reasonable guys. You can buy these kinds of t-shirt जहाँ पर आपको ये पूरी plain मिले, and you can go with whatever design you want as I'm just doing this one. So yeah, and let's continue our project. So what are we waiting for? Let's start it. Okay, so guys, finally the drawing is all completed. I just followed all the steps, and let me clear a few of the myths that have been created related to this project, this kinds of project. So basically guys, आपको you have to use a kind of thing behind this first layer of the t-shirt, क्योंकि अगर आप उसको नहीं रखेंगे then your color will be transferred to the back side and that won't be fine for us. So yeah, and अगर आपने इसे color कर लिया then you have to let it dry for like a complete day, क्योंकि उसके बिना this is not gonna dry completely. And not only this, don't use iron on this side only. अभी हमें वो प्रोसेस मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कैसे करना, but let me clear this at this stage only because people get excited and they just iron it over here and this causes damage to their project. So yeah, I will show you that how आपको ironing करनी है and what are the processes left in this project. And let me clear this, that when you are drawing the image, draw it with a marker because the pencil is not going to work onto the t-shirt. I tried using pencil but that just failed out, so I used a marker, and I use a marker that would get erased easily when you are washing it. So yeah, otherwise आप देख सकते हैं there is no like nothing mark of the marker, but still if you are using a marker try to use, that would get erased easily. So yes, and still abhi kuch part bacha, that is the only mouth one. So for that I have to create a kind of a pink shade for the tongue, and that is the thing that I have to tell you, because you're not going to get that shade into the complete kit, and that is the reason why I thought I must told you this thing. So yeah, and hands को मैं ऐसे ही रहने दूँ. So yeah, and the balloon also came really good, and here I have just highlighted few of the things using white color. You can easily do this, and this complete part is dried, so आपको ये feel up when you will just touch it, you will feel that yes, now it's dry and it's time to do all this thing. So yeah, and अभी मैंने इससे पूरी तरीके से ड्राई होने के लिए नहीं रखा. I have to wait for 24 hours, and then मैं आपको शो करूँगी कि कैसे you are going to do number of things like in next thing in this project. So yes, and the only thing that I want to tell you one more is this, that don't use hard detergent when you are going to wash your t-shirt, because that would definitely cause problem to it. And also don't use caustic soda, that will also cause problem to your drawings onto your t-shirt. So yes, and use soft detergent for these purpose, or like washing these t-shirts, and there's nothing else that you have to do with it, because Fabrica color is made for this only. You can go with any surface and paint on. Yes, and now the next thing that we have to do is lock this color. We have to just iron it. So without any further delay, let me show you that how it would look once we iron all the things. Okay, so guys, finally here I am with my final product, and let me clear this one thing, that what is this blue shade. So guys, I'm going to tell you few things that you have to follow properly while doing this project. So basically the thing that had happened with it is like I used a marker that was not waterproof. I don't know how, I just forgot it, but I used a marker that was not waterproof, and that caused this kind of effect. But let me tell you, seriously guys, I just love this effect. So see, it came a really good look. And let me clear one more thing, that after washing it is like wow, nothing is removed, everything is perfect. I just loved it. And let me clear this one more thing, that I just washed it, and then this is what just happened. But I'm so happy with the final product. It just give a perfect look. So yes, this was all about the t-shirt, and let's have a final look of the t-shirt. And I hope that you all would have enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to our channel. I will definitely try this project once more, and we will see there what we are going to do. Till that, stay tuned with my channel. Thank you for watching. So guys, if you're still watching this video, this is a surprise for all of you guys. I just washed this t-shirt for around 2 to 3 times, and I think after washing it, this is the second wash, and after washing it I found that the color stain that was of the marker is now going, and if I would wash it for 2 or 3 times more, then I think the marks will be all gone. So yeah, and I just loved it. After washing all these things, the color is not a stain, and everything is perfect. It's not like just coming out. So yes, and let me tell you that it's crack free also. So yeah, and I just loved it. So what we are waiting for, let's take the final look, and here we go.